In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix follow limit reached in Facebook. So let's open up Facebook. And so to fix this issue, you can't really fix it. So the follow limit is 5,000 people or pages that you can follow. You can't follow more than that, and it's because of spam issues. So the only way you can fix this is to just unfollow. So to find the people you have followed, just click on the three lines at the top left, and then click on see more, and then over here click on pages. And here you'll see the first pages here that are listed are the ones that you're following. So let's say the score here, and you can just click on this and then click on unfollow, and now you'll be able to follow more people. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.